Hello! Today we're going to go over how to add an assignment to your course in Moodle. You'll start on the main page of your course and turn editing on. You'll go to the bottom of the section that you want to add the assignment to and click Add an Activity or Resource. Click Assignment and Add. In the assignment name section, you'll have to give it a name. We'll just call it Assignment 1. Here you'll add instructions in the description box. And scroll down to Availability. You have the option to enable or disable due dates and appearance dates depending on what you want. Here you can control submission types. Accepted file types go here. You can choose from the list if you want, or just leave it so that all types of files are accepted. Then scroll down to grade and expand that tab. And here you can choose what type of grade you want. Usually we go with points. You'll input the maximum grade here. These settings are usually all right, but if you want to change them, you can. You'll have to upload a rubric if you want to use a rubric though. You can also choose if you want to include a grade to pass. And once you're done modifying all those settings, you can just click Save and return the course.